Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create simple Rakhi look. First, I am using this Good Vibes ka Mulberry toner. This is really great toner. I really like the smell of this toner and ये बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. Next, I am using this Pond's का lightweight moisturizer gel. As you all know, मैंने अपनी last video में भी बताया था that I love this gel moisturizer. It is very lightweight and it works really perfectly. Gently massage the gel into your skin so that it makes your skin so soft and smooth. You can use any moisturizer, but it is really important to use a moisturizer before makeup. Next up, I am using this primer from Swiss Beauty. You can use any primer, but as I told you, you have to use a primer because it stops the makeup to get into your skin, and primer blurs out the pores as well. I am only using primer on my open pores area. Next, to cancel out my under eyes darkness and little bit dark area on my face, I am using this orange yellow corrector. You can use peach corrector as well. To place it, you can use finger or brush. I am using finger. Just dab with the finger and place it wherever you think you have dark area on your face, as I am doing. Now on this, I am using concealer. This is Swiss Beauty concealer in shade beige. Place the concealer under your eyes and where you want to highlight that area, place the concealer, like under your eyes, chin area, near your lips, bridge of nose, and on forehead also. This concealer is exact my shade which I use, and this Swiss Beauty concealer does wonder to my skin. Now blend it with Damp Beauty blender. Now I am using this Fit Me foundation in my shade 128. Just take it on the back of your hand little bit because it is sufficient for your full face and neck. Now take Damp Beauty blender and place it onto your face. Now blend it with Wet Beauty blender and blend it properly so that it will give you a natural looking face. And please make sure you take sufficient amount of foundation, not over or not less. Guys, make sure you blend it till your hairline so that it doesn't look like fake face, and blend it properly into your hairline. Now to set it all, I am using this loose powder from Kryolan. I am placing this powder under my eyes or the area I want to highlight, and I will just set it for 2 to 5 minutes and then I'll blend it all in my face. मैं एक पाउडर ब्रश की हेल्प से मैंने जो भी पाउडर सेट करा था उसको सर्कुलर मोशन में ब्लेंड करूँगी सो दैट मेरा पूरा बेस अच्छे से पाउडर से सेट हो जाए. Now it's time for eyebrows. I am using this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit and this eyebrow brush. I'll be filling my eyebrows. You can see it is very simple process, but filling up eyebrows is really important. It can properly change the shape of your face and make your face little bit sharp and edgy, and so doing eyebrow is really important. In beginning, just take your time while doing eyebrows, but please do it. नाउ एज आई नो हमारे पास राखी पे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता है मेकअप करने का, सो आई एम सिंपली डूइंग अ आई लाइनर लुक. आई एम टेकिंग दिस लॉरियल का जेल आई लाइनर एंड डूइंग माई विंग, नॉट वेरी शार्प विंग बट लिटिल विंग आई लाइनर. आई नो आई लाइनर लगाना इतना ईजी नहीं होता, और अगर आपसे कोई मिस्टेक हो जाती है यू कैन ईजीली करेक्ट इट. जस्ट टेक अ ईयरबड and take your makeup remover and just dip into that makeup remover, and easily you can take off any kajal, mascara, anything from this and correct your makeup very easily. So don't panic if you do any mistake. Now eyeliner look is very simple, but I want to make it little different. As you can see, I am wearing this kurta and it has little bit of orange color in it, so I am doing my drop shadow of orange color. You guys can also do the same if you are wearing something like this or any color you are wearing. Just pick the same color or complementary color. As if you are wearing red, then you can choose green like the complementary color, or if you are wearing something like this, like I have picked orange color, and इससे मेरा लुक बिल्कुल डिफरेंट हो गया और थोड़ा सा यूनिक हो गया. लाइक येस, आई हैव डन समथिंग डिफरेंट इन माई लुक. Now to make it look more eye catchy, I am using nude kajal. You can use regular black kajal also, and if you have white kajal you can use that also. Just always do some experiment with your looks. जैसे टाइम कम हो बट अच्छा मेकअप करना है एंड समथिंग डिफरेंट, यू कैन ऑलवेज एक्सपेरिमेंट विद योर लुक्स. Now I have this palette from Mion. This is blush, contour, highlight, like all in one palette. So I am doing contouring with this contour brush. You can do it on your cheeks, under your chin, wherever you think you need contouring, because I have round face, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा contouring की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. You can do as per your face shape. Now I'll do blush with the same palette. Always smile while doing blush. This palette has 3 options for highlighter. I am mixing these 2 highlighter shades, and you can see I love highlighter, and this makes my face full of shine and glam. I love highlighters. I am gonna put it on my cheeks, on my nose, on my full face. I am just a highlighter person. I love highlighters. Now it comes to eyelashes. I usually forget about curling the eyelash, but जब भी आपको याद आए प्लीज़ do it. इससे थोड़ा सा अच्छा हो जाता है eyelashes and थोड़ा lift up हो जाती हैं, and for mascara, I am using this Hyper Curl Maybelline mascara, and this is my favorite mascara in drugstore. You guys can instantly see the lift up in lashes. Although I have big lashes, so I don't put falsies. Now I was feeling little dry on my lips, so I am adding this lip balm from Lakme. So now I'm gonna use this Forever 52 nude lip liner just to shape up my lips for lipstick. As I told you in one of my video how to do big lips, you guys can check out that video. I'm gonna put the link in description box. And make sure you fill your lips with the lip liner. For lipstick, I am using this Smashbox Gulabe lipstick. This lipstick is specially made for Indian women. This lip shade suits every Indian woman or every woman actually. You can see how pretty pink nude color it is. Now you guys can see I am done with this look, and now I'm using this primer water. You can use this water as setting spray also. So you guys have seen how easy to create a look and something different I have done. So if you guys do this, so please tag me on Instagram so that I can repost it. And if you are not, then follow me on Instagram to make your look more beautiful. Add any earrings of your choice. And as you can see, I am adding a dupatta also to make this look more beautiful. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.